In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can legally get Robux for completely free. This is going to allow you to either get private servers, different clothing items, etc., with no hacks, no mods, and no sketchy third-party website. This method fully follows YouTube's terms of service and Roblox's terms of service as well. But before we even get started in this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more guides like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But here's how this works. No matter which device you're on, you're going to want to go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you can do it in anything. And essentially just go ahead and navigate to Microsoft Rewards. Select this first link up at the very top, and what you're going to want to do is sign in with a Microsoft account up at the top and then hit go to dashboard. After doing so, what you're going to want to do is go to the redeem tab right here and search for Roblox. You're going to see a Roblox digital card in here. If you select that, you're going to see how much Robux you can actually get and how many points you need to earn. So for example, 1000 Robux is going to be 16,250 points, which I'm a little under halfway there for right now. But pretty much in order to get these points, you want to go ahead and complete quizzes, polls, searches, and daily sets to actually get those rewards. There's essentially daily tasks which give you a bunch of points. And the key here is consistency. These points stack up extremely fast when you actually do this every single day. And whenever you have enough points saved up, just come redeem this. And after you do redeem this, you're going to want to go over to Roblox. Take out this little home section and type in redeem and hit enter and type in your Roblox code that you get from Microsoft Rewards just like so. Once again, this is not hacking. This does not violate Roblox terms of service or YouTube terms of service, and this is the official method that Microsoft and Roblox lets you use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.